Well, it's been a little over 10 years since I last did a video of an unboxing of a Goulet pens order. So I thought I'd take the time today to show you what I got in the mail today and show you how it's been packed. I think one of the cool things that's changed is, they now have their branded box with all of their Goulet pen logo and all that on it. It's pretty cool. And as we get in here, I see that they are getting away from the bubble wrap and things like that, using that brand craft paper. So, hey, that's always a nice thing. I know I can always recycle that at my office, so we'll be doing that with this. And as usual, the things did not rattle around in the package, which is always a good thing. And ink in the box, so pretty minimal packaging. I like that, so that's pretty cool. And set this aside. Let's see what we got down here. Just a basic little sticker invoice, so that's nice. So let's set that box aside and get into the package. Real simple lengths of tape tying all this together. Oh, they're still doing the suckers. That's great. So that's one thing that they're doing. So everything's still packaged up nicely in plastic bags. Nice little Ziploc bag there. And I'm really excited about this ink. This is one of the Gall inks, and it's entitled I'm a Cat, because after all, I'm a cat lover, and I bought this one because of the name. It's also a really cool gray ink. And oh, how cute. They got a little Goulet pen sticker here. And what else we got? Oh yeah, I saw this. They were talking about this on one of their recent videos. Great, you can scan that QR code, go over to their website and learn some great tips and tricks and different things like that. So that's a nice little piece. It's actually a fairly expensive piece that they put together, being that I'm kind of in the marketing printing area as my profession. And so, yeah, they put some nice effort into this. That's a nice little piece that they're putting in there. So they are still taking care of our needs and answering a lot of the questions. So we've got some more ink samples here. They said this Frankenstein ink was pretty cool and it looked pretty cool. And then I've also got the Colorverse Quasar. Some more great samples, and I can't wait to get in and start playing with this. I really love inks that are have a lot of depth to them. And this is the sample pack. What was this called? This is the sheening bestsellers. So there's a bunch of really nice sheening in there. So that sheening is where the inks have some nice variety in there. And of course, I wanted to try out one of their notebooks. This is one of their notebooks with the Tomoe River paper in it. I really love writing letters and stuff on Tomoe River paper, so I'm excited to get into that. In fact, you can even look over here. I've got along with a bag of chips, I've got, one of my Safaris inked up right now. This got Private Reserve, Electric DC Blue or something like that. It's a really nice little ink here of just a real nice dark blue. I'm getting a little bit of shading in it, and so it's a nice little thing. And you just got to see some of my task list that I've got there. So as you can see, they're still doing a great job at packaging. Everything arrived safely, and as they say, right on.